Number 2. Pages not indexed. If Google can't see your page, it doesn't exist. Many site owners accidentally leave no index tags on or block important folders in their robots.txt file. The fix is simple. Regularly check your Google Search Console indexing report. If you see excluded pages that should be live, check your sitemap and ensure your robots.txt file is giving Google the green light. Number 3. Broken links and 404 errors. Broken links are like dead ends in a maze. They frustrate users and stop search engine crawlers in their tracks. Use a tool like Screaming Frog or Broken Link Checker. When you delete a page, don't just let it 404. Use a 301 redirect to send users to the next most relevant page. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more weekly SEO deep dives.